As the innovation company who is helping our customers push the envelope to disrupt the industries, we live to accelerate the discovery of new capabilities and material technology. For this reason, Leoni Limited operates a dedicated research and development department. With over 20 years of experience in cable engineering, we are always looking at developing new capabilities that help keep us ahead of the game. Over the last years, the world has drastically changed. Customers want smaller, faster, longer-lasting equipment that is more efficient with more capabilities overall. They need a partner that can think outside of the box and provide them with solutions that meet the demands of their applications. Leoni's Research and Development Department looks for industry trends and innovations, as well as customer demands and challenges to see where to focus on their new capabilities and materials that will help our customers continue to be innovation leaders in their markets. The R&D team works closely with our engineering team to develop trials, extensive testing, and product validation before offering a new capability. This ensures you are receiving the quality product that the customers have come to rely on. If you're an innovator in your market looking to push the boundaries, contact us today to see how our team can help you with your cable needs.